Well, one of the research projects in our laboratory is funded by the sales of the Protect Our Reefs license plates. As you know, coral reefs, they're affected by the global climate change, they're affected by overfishing, by other human impacts, by an increase in tourism, and all of this leads to the deterioration of the coral reefs in Florida. So one of the approaches that we're testing in our laboratory is trying to maintain healthy coral-associated microbial communities. We have learned that some microorganisms can cause coral diseases, but we also learned that other coral-associated microorganisms can actually protect corals from the invasions of pathogens. These beneficial microorganisms are very similar in their behavior to the bacteria that you find in your probiotics. So one of the questions we're asking is how feasible, or is it ever going to be feasible, to use such beneficial microorganisms to help maintain healthy coral ecosystems. In these pictures you see this really thick dark colored mat, which is known as a black band disease of corals. It's a consortium of microorganisms capable of decreasing the coral cover. Black band progresses rapidly under the warmer months, and it's capable of just eating away coral tissue within only a few months. This is an example of coral diseases. There are many more coral diseases. Some of them are caused by known microorganisms, and the causes for other diseases of corals are yet to be elucidated. We have learned that some of the coral-associated bacteria have beneficial functions. They can protect the corals by producing antibiotics, or even the compounds that are capable of inhibiting specific undesirable behaviors in the pathogens. We have also learned that some of the native beneficial bacteria inhibit the ability of the pathogens to establish on coral surfaces and prevent them from utilizing the nutrients that are present on coral surfaces. One of the hypotheses that we would like to test in the future is whether applications of these beneficial bacteria under controlled laboratory conditions can also prevent or reverse the disease progression